Residents in Laikipia County are reportedly facing growing despair as nurses' strike enters its 10th day with no signals of a resolution to the ongoing stalemate. Health services across Laikipia County remain paralyzed as nurses continue their industrial action, leaving critical hospital departments non-operational. Reports indicate that key units including intensive care, renal and maternal health services have been severely affected in major hospitals in Nanyuki, Nyahururu, Rumuruti, Kimanjo and Doldol.
Tuko na agenda 10 lakini ile inasinya sana ni contractual employments. Watu wamepewa kandarasi ambao hazizingatii SRC terms. Ya pili, kuna wenzetu ambao walibaki nje. Tunataka kusema kuna KRC chains na internasis na ECNs ambao nafasi zao mpaka leo hatujai kuambiwa zilienda wapi, kwa sababu wakati walifanya indent walikuwa wanajua those people watakuwa ndani yake nini, lakini saa hii wamenyimwa those nafasi.
With patients being discharged prematurely and advised to seek care in private facilities, union officials state that nearly 500 nurses downed their tools of unresolved grievances, accusing the county government of failing to initiate meaningful dialogue, saying only one meeting has been held without progress, with no follow-up engagements honored.
Tunasema hivi, serikali imetuzoea vibaya na tumechoka sisi, tumewapatia muda. Juzi tulikuwa nao pale tukakaa chini nao, lakini what they are saying they are consulting. So this time now we want to see the person who they were consulting. Otherwise kama si hivyo sisi tunaendelea na mgomo. Sisi tunapenda wana Laikipia, lakini serikali yao ambayo wamechagua imewalet down.
In the meantime, county health officials are reported to have remained unresponsive to inquiries, even as residents continue to criticize the administration over its handling of the crisis and its impact on vulnerable patients. Atenka Negunda, KUTV.